Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change lock screen, clock, font and size in iOS 17. The first thing, we open our lock screen and after that we long click on the lock screen, and after that we click on customize, we choose lock screen and we click on the clock, and as you can see here you have multiple fonts that you can choose from them for your clock. As you can see here, a lot of styles that you can choose from, and also you can choose the size of the font, as you can see here, and also you can choose the color of the font. You can change it to the color that you want, and like this you can choose the lock screen, clock, font and size in iOS 17. And of course, after you complete, you just click on done, and like this you go out from it, and this is your new lock screen with the new font for the clock. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to click on the like button, and see you in the next